When you're hosting, most of the time people ask if there's anything they can do to help or if there's anything you need. Instead of automatically saying no, think about what you could use help doing. If you don't have anything specific in mind, ask them if they have time to come over about an hour early. If you're like me, you could always use an extra hand in the last hour. That's when I'm usually breaking a sweat trying to finish everything and I wish I was an octopus or could split myself in half. That extra hand during the last hour can help you finish setting up, write out the menu on a menu board, or put things away so that your house is tidy and your kitchen isn't a mess as guests arrive. Once I ended up having an unexpected girls' night with a friend before a party. I was hosting a brunch and was staying up late to do most of my food prep, so my friend came over the night before to stay up with me. We had so much fun and made cups out of chocolate to hold the mousse. It was hilarious because we had to figure out how thick the cups should be and what was the perfect temperature for the chocolate to spread into our molds. So I not only had great memories from the brunch, but also memories with a friend for making a dessert that we can always laugh about. Other simple ways that friends can help is to bring ice. During the final few moments, I never have time or even want to make the time to run out for a bag of ice. But a guest who is already on their way can help with this. And don't feel guilty about asking for help. Most people want to help and be a part of the function. How much help you want is up to you, but just remember that you don't have to do it all. It's supposed to be fun for you and your guests, even before the first bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.